In this video, I'm going to show you how the dollar symbol can be used in Excel to keep formulas fixed. So I'll just explain that with an example. So we have a simple table here with a group of customer names and the value of whatever they've bought. So if we do a formula next to this, let's say equals, and then just click on B3, click enter, we refer back to B3. And then if we drag this down by hovering over the bottom right hand corner and drag that down, makes sense, it's looking and continuing that formula going down. We can stop it from carrying on by using the dollar symbol. So in this example, if I put a dollar symbol in front of the row number, so the 3, hit enter. Now when I drag this down, it will keep looking at that row. So you can see it's saying Bob for all of them. Similar example, if I drag right, it's now looking at what was in C3 because I've dragged to the right, so the column increases by 1. And then we can stop that by putting a dollar in front of the B. So it makes sure that that column label doesn't change. So now when I drag this, it sticks as Bob. An example of how this could be useful is if you wanted to do a cumulative value. So I'll just quickly fill in some dates or months. Okay, so we want to look at a cumulative value through the year. If we did equals sum, so that's the first month, and then we wanted to do a sum of C3 and C4, so the cumulative of those 2 months, we get that, and we could carry that on going through. Or what we could do instead is we always want the start to be C3. Now if we drag this one down, it will no longer be C3, it will be looking at C4 and C5. So the whole thing shifts down. So what we want to do is to fix it at C3. And this can be done by just putting a dollar in front of the 3. So that row of the formula, what it's looking at, doesn't come down. So now when we drag this formula down, it'll do the running total. So to demonstrate, if I clicked on this month, you can see it's doing that whole area because the beginning of the sum doesn't change. Okay, so that was a quick video on how to use dollar. If you have any questions or suggestions on what videos I should make, then do leave a comment in the comment section.